Hi everyone, this is Danielle, and this is my photo shoot for this week. Start off with saying no animals were harmed in the making of this video, but they might have been mildly inconvenienced. They were greatly given treats later though. So starting out, this is a close-up of one of my goats. Her name is Gertrude. Anybody's interested. So you've got a real cool combination of details, and the macro really kind of shows off the texture in the fur, and then you have a close-up of the eye, and there was some blurriness that I couldn't get rid of immediately due to the fact that it was a moving target, and it was hard to get her to stand still, even with bribed with carrots, and she ate a lot of carrots. But no, and like I said, the micro shot it really shows off the texture and the lighting, and it does really good in showing off the variation of colors in the fur. Next one is a painting I did, watercolor, and it's what I liked about it is it really shows the texture of the canvas, which is really cool. And then it shows a little bit, if you look here, where it bled through. It was an acrylic canvas, and I was using watercolors on it, so. But I think it's pretty cool. You get the texture from the canvas, and it really kind of shows you the coloring. Really nice close-up of the coloring. It's very pretty. The whole image itself is actually like 3 big pieces that it captures the snake's entire form with lots of flowers and leaves. It's very pretty. And then more animals. This one is my cat Oscar, and I really liked using the macro with the animals because, like I mentioned, it does a really good job at capturing like the texture of the fur and the variation of the colors in it. And like you can see the color like in his nose and like his eyes. So that's why 3/4 of mine are animals. He was inconvenienced. I woke him up from his nap. And then the last one is a face of another cat. This is Sentry. And like I said, you really get the texture in the fur and like his nose, especially in this one, you really get his nose. He's a lot nicer than he looks in this picture. I woke him up from his nap. But you get real good detail and focus here on the face, and then you can see down here towards the bottom, as you get away from that, it starts to blur. So you definitely, I feel like you're really pulled into like here in this area, especially because you have that his real bright spot right there with the orange. But these are my 4 photos, and I hope you enjoyed them.